Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is June 28th, 2018, and we're literally here to give you all the news according to the charts, unbiased, in your face, letting you all know what we're expecting the cryptocurrency market to go on a daily basis. And with that being said, if you would like to have more information about price predictions on a multiplicity of other altcoins paired against BTC, paired against the USD, paired against the Japanese yen, the British pound, whatever, you all can definitely become one of our members on our HueFin News Patreon page, because we are definitely giving everyone else deeper insight as to where the cryptocurrencies are going to move over the next couple of days to weeks to even months. That is the power of language analysis, and we are literally the only channel on this YouTube space that is actually forecasting prices. Everyone else literally just tells you facts that has already occurred, which does not benefit you at all. Our analysis benefits you because we literally are aiming to predict where prices are going to go. And I know you may have heard many people say you can't predict where prices are likely to go. Well, those individuals, please send them to our channel, because we have numerous videos that shows you can predict where prices are likely to go. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And the first one up today is going to be EOS paired against the USD. You can see that they're down 6.82%. Last trade was $7.44, and we're still within a consolidation for this currency. Market is still giving us some weakness. The only good thing about EOS at this particular time is that it's consolidating. But as we're going through this consolidation, you can see that we're making lower tops on these daily price bars, which is not good. And on top of that, we are definitely seeing more weakness than strength bars on this chart. Taking a look at the 3-hour bars for EOS, you can see here again, consolidation is the name of the game for EOS. You would expect that to continue. I want to point out to you though that we are making lower highs, which is not a good thing for us to continue to move higher in price. Right here, then right here, and now we're going to come back down, find support, and then try to bounce back up. Now we want to come up to around $7.80, $7.90, and come back down again. Then definitely we're going to break this consolidation to the downside. And remember, we told you that first on HueFin News. Do a quick look on the 1-hour chart for EOS. See definitely that weakness is very apparent. Market is going to try to hold support at around $7.40. Weakness is still coming in, so we're not done yet with lower prices. We can come all the way back down to $7.30. That is another area of support that you need to be watchful for if you're in EOS, or if you're waiting for opportunity to jump back in. You need to see if this area is going to hold support. But definitely right now, this is not an opportunity to try to find a buy for EOS. We definitely want to wait until we find some support at this particular time, and definitely weakness is very apparent. So we're looking for this coin to continue to move to the downside. Ultimately, it could have already found support, so we do acknowledge that fact, and it can come all the way down to $7.30. But if this volume maintains the way that it has been over the last couple of hours, then look for that currency to move lower in price. Now, next on the list is going to be Litecoin. Litecoin paired against the USD, you can see that they're down 4.73%. Last trade was $76.39 daily price bar for Litecoin. Continue to show you weakness in this particular space. Now we can hold support and move higher in trading tomorrow, but pretty much just like with EOS, you can see that we're making lower highs as we go throughout trading for this particular currency. 3-hour chart for Litecoin, you can still see weaknesses in the space. Market's going to try to hold support relatively soon, so expect that around $76 or $75. Still looking for the market to continue to move to the downside. If we cannot hold those two price areas as support, then Litecoin is still giving us weakness, and you would expect them to continue to move to the downside. Quick look at the 1-hour chart, you can still see weakness is very apparent. Market is trying to uphold it, just as I mentioned earlier, so it can hold around $76 or $75.50. I'm sorry, around $75. But nevertheless, this chart, the 1-hour chart, 3-hour chart, is still giving us weakness. So expect movement to the downside, albeit we can actually hold support around $76 or $75.50. So just keep that in mind. Now, the last one for today is going to be Ripple. Okay, show you all Ripple. So Ripple paired against the USD, you can see that they're down 4.5%, 4.5%. Last trade was around 44 cents, and overwhelmingly weakness is very apparent on the daily price chart. We actually are closing lower than the close from the low of yesterday, which definitely tells us weakness is in control. 3-hour chart for Ripple, you can see that this is a probable precursor to strength, so the next 3-hour bar, we definitely need the market to close above it. If so, then we're going to stay within the consolidation, which is literally what has been going on for a very long time. You can see that the market held support at 44 cents, 44.5 cents. We can come back up to around 46 or even 47. If we come up to 47 cents, then we're definitely in a wider consolidation range. But if we only come up to and around 46 cents tomorrow, then expect movement to the downside and possibly even break this consolidation range. But right now, I'm definitely looking for consolidation, movement lower, especially if the next 3-hour bar closes above, then I'm looking for consolidation. But if it doesn't, weakness is still there. Expect the market to continue to move to the downside, okay? So definitely I can see it's coming back up to around 45.5 cents, 46 cents. So keep that in mind. That is areas of resistance, and that's probably how far we're going to go. Definitely not seeing any indications of market strength that we're going to continue to move higher in price. So that's all I have for today. Again, if you guys are interested in learning more about language analysis, or even just getting advanced notice of where the market's likely to go, then you're only going to get that from our channel and becoming a member on our HueFin News Patreon page. This is definitely something very powerful, very useful, and we cherish it so much that we only wanted to give it to those who value this information as well. And if you are one, then definitely come and join us on our Patreon page. That's all I got for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I'll see you all later.